Hello, students. How are you doing? Yeah, it's Tisha Martin coming up with another wonderful Kikuyu lesson. Free one brought to you. I hope that before you watch, make sure that you like this video, make sure that you have subscribed to this channel, and that the notification bell is turned on. Okay, make sure that you give a comment, share with friends, and let us learn this great and wonderful language that is spoken worldwide. So again, welcome. To support this work, you can use the numbers or the till number learning down here horizontally down here. Yeah, you can support this work to make sure that we reach more and more people. Right, today we are going to have a song, and I hope that you are going to enjoy this folklore. It's a children's song that we used to sing when we were children. Okay, good. So welcome again. So the song is called Wakarathe. Wakarathe. Let's start singing the song. The song is called Wakarathe. Wakarathe, Wakarathe Niturathane, Niturathane. Nawadatha, Nawadatha ngagũthĩnjĩra, ngagũthĩnjĩra. Nacio nyama, nacio nyama ũtwarĩre aturi, ũtwarĩre aturi. Na waturi, na waturi mature tuhiũ, mature tuhiũ. Natuo tuhiũ, natuo tuhiũ tũrathe matu, tũrathe matu. Namo matu, namo matu makoiria mbura, makoiria mbura. Nayo mbura, nayo mbura ĩkameria nyeki, ĩkameria nyeki. Nayo nyeki, nayo nyeki ĩkarera njaũ, ĩkarera njaũ. Nayo njaũ, nayo njaũ ĩkagũra mũka, ĩkagũra mũka. Nake mũka, nake mũka agakia ũcũrũ, agakia ũcũrũ. Naguo ũcũrũ, naguo ũcũrũ tũgakundũrũria, tũgakundũrũria. Hodoro, 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 kudo. So that is it. So the last part that I almost missed is naguo ũcũrũ, naguo ũcũrũ tũgakundũria, tũgakundũria. Hodoro, 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 kudo. So that is it. Thank you so much for attending today's class. That's a song about Wakara. The Wakara is the one that do what? What do you do with a spear? You pierce, not. I think you pierce using a sword. Yeah, but anyway, you are going to pierce. So Wakara is Kuratha is to pierce. Okay, pierce, like the way Jesus Christ was pierced with an arrow. So Wakarathe Niturathane. So the song is like this. One that pierce. Let us pierce. Let us pierce. Then, and when you pierce me, I will slaughter for you. I will slaughter for you. Ngagũthĩnjĩra, ngagũthĩnjĩra. We go on. Nacio nyama and meat. Nacio nyama and meat. Ũtwarĩre aturi, ũtwarĩre aturi. Nacio nyama and meat, you take it to the artisan. Okay, artisan, maybe the smith, in this case of metal. Na waturi mature tuhiũ, mature tuhiũ. And then the artisan, gũtura is to make. Okay, mature tuhiũ, will make knives. Natuo tuhiũ and the knives. Natuo tuhiũ and the knife. Tũrathe matu, tũrathe matu. Pierce the cloud. Okay, natuo tuhiũ tũrathe matu. And the knives will pierce the clouds. Namo matu, and now the cloud. Namo matu, and now the cloud. Makoiria bura will bring rains. Makoiria bura will bring rains. Nayo bura and the rains. Nayo bura and the rains. Ikameria nyeki will make grass to sprout. Ikameria nyeki sprout. Grass will sprout. Nayo nyeki, and now the grass. Ikarera jau will raise a calf. Actually, calf, yeah, it's a calf. But in this case, jau, yeah, jau now is a male calf. Okay, male calf. Kalera, and the grass will raise a calf. Nayo jau, and now the calf. Nayo jau ikagura muka will buy a wife. Muka is a wife, kogura, buy. Kagura muka will buy a wife. Nake muka, and now the wife. Nake muka, and now the wife. Agakiyoshuru will make porridge. Okay, agakiyoshuru will make porridge. Agakiyoshuru will make porridge. Naguoshuru, and now the porridge. Togakudoria will drink it. Will drink it. Hodro. That sound of swallowing porridge. Kudo. So that is it with the meaning now. So thank you so much for attending today's class. If you want to contact me, you can contact me on +254 718 317 877 or email me at martinkalali@gmail.com. Kindly continue supporting this work so that we may grow and even maybe probably monetize this channel. Or if you don't want this channel to be monetized, you can also support directly by subscribing to premium classes and also making sure that you share this content with your friends. Those who want to learn Kikuyu, I am here. I am Teacher Martin. I'm going to take you back. Even those who want to remind themselves of things that they used to hear when they are children, here is the place. Ask any question and make sure that you are subscribed and make sure that you continue sharing this content. May God bless you and bye bye for now.